In this video, I'll show you how to use email content validation. Content validation is used to hold emails produced by a burst until the BI report content can be reviewed and either approved for delivery or rejected and not delivered. We configure content validation at the burst level. So in this burst, we have a BI report performance by state, and we have an email delivery. We're delivering to a group of email recipients in PDF format. And what we'd like to do is run the burst, produce the content from the report, and then hold it until an assigned user or users have the opportunity to review the content, and only when they approve its contents are those emails sent out by the InfoBurst system. To enable content validation, select the Options tab, select Defer for Validation. We're going to select an InfoBurst user group, and the users of this group will be assigned to approve or deny the content delivered by the burst. So we'll select our group. I have a group called Review Group. And then we can configure how long to wait before validation. So users have to validate content within a certain time period in hours, and then how long InfoBurst will hold the content after it has been approved for delivery. Enter 0 to retain the content indefinitely. So let's save the change and run this burst. Here in the activity log, we can see the emails being saved to the review portal instead of being sent to end users. This is the email notification that the validating user receives when the burst is executed and content is saved to the review portal. The user is given an explanation of their responsibility for approving or denying the content, and then the review user simply needs to click the link to open the content review portal where they can review the content. That user logs in, and here they can see the emails that were sent to each user. So I can see 4 recipients received content from this burst. This is an email. There's no content in the email. It was an attached PDF. So for each user, let's say Paul, on the right we can see the file or files that were intended for Paul and attached to the email. And if we need to review them, we just click the link to download, review the content, so you can review as many different pieces of content as is necessary. And then the review user will either approve the delivery when they select this button. The emails that are held will then be sent to the users, or they'll reject them, which means the emails will not be sent. We'll go through the approval process, which is a simple one click, and continue. And that content has now been sent to the end users.